guys, welcome back to another Train Tracks and Stacks video, and today we are going to be unboxing this Spirit Airlines A320 playset right here. So let's get started. So I'm going over here, and it is right here, and it's actually a pretty awesome playset. I actually am working on a nice airport over in my room, so might as well unboxing this. So to start unboxing, and kind of hard to open, if that makes sense. Cause yeah, should be able to open it in just a sec. That's probably because of the tape. So unbox this, open it. It's open. I know I'm like kind of ripping it apart, but anyways, it's fine. It's fine. Just some turbulence. Yeah. Okay, that should be good. Peel this off. And now we should have everything unboxed. So let's check this out and turn over on this side. So what we've got is a Spirit A320 right here, and a luggage cart, 2 cones, a runway sign, a buckle hook sign, and I actually have no idea what that sign means. And then we have the good old bus to transport passengers to the plane or to the airport. So let's get started. So now we are going to start taking all the toys out. So let's grab first. We grab the first one, which is going to be the Spirit A320. Yeah, looks like this. It's actually very well modeled. And I actually like that, how it looks, and Daron did a good job making these. Now it's time to take out the luggage cart. So the luggage cart is, so let's take out the cart real quick, this, and then the actual vehicle itself. Then you can like pull it around itself. No, it's derailed. That was not good. That's better. Yeah, it does fall off so much, but it's on rocky terrain, so that makes sense. Let's take that off. And now we have some signs, which we've got. We got this runway sign. Got some traffic cones to make construction in your airport, which I actually really do like. Taking them out right now. Yeah, it's actually a pretty good set. So, got these, some traffic. Oopsie daisies. The back. Then we got these. Oh. Everything keeps falling. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. Then we got the buckle up sign. I don't even know if any of the passengers will even look at this, because I've never seen these in any airport before. And I've definitely been to a few airports. And I've never really flew in my life. I've only flew one time, but I don't even remember. I think it was on Delta though, which I do actually have a playset of them. And for our last vehicle is this cute little double-decker bus right here. Oh, I don't. Give me a sec. There we go. Yeah, pretty good. I gotta be honest. Definitely an awesome set. Comes with a lot of stuff for kids to play with. So And I actually gotta be honest, this is actually an epic set, and I definitely recommend this. So, well, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.